வெல்கம் டு மை சேனல். நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 9th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி 6th லெசன் மிடில் ஏஜஸ். அந்த லெசனுக்கான புக் பேக் எக்ஸசைஸ் தான் நம்ம இப்போ பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன், சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். In that we have totally 5 questions. Dash was the old religion of Japan. Shinto. The option A is the correct answer. Dash means great name or lord. Option A, Daimyo, is the correct answer. The Arab general who conquered Spain was Tariq. Option A is the correct answer. Harun al-Rashid was the able emperor of Abbasid dynasty. Option A is the correct answer. Feudalism centered around. Option A, vassalage, is the correct answer. Next one, filling the blanks. First one, Dash were the original inhabitants of Japan. Ainus. Dash was the original name of Japan. Yamato. Dash was the original name of Medina. Medinat un Nabi. Dash were the barbarians posing the threat to the Chinese in the north. Mongols. Dash established Ottoman supremacy in the Balkans. Muhammad II. Next one, match the following. Red turbans, Chu Yuanchang, Seljuk Turks, Central Asia, First Sagunate, Kamakura, Baghdad, City of Arabian Nights, Capture of Constantinople, Muhammad II. Next one, find out the correct statement. First, Chinggis Khan was an intolerant person in religion. Mongols destroyed the city of Jerusalem. Crusades weakened the Ottoman Empire. Pope Gregory succeeded in making King Henry IV to abdicate the throne by means of interdict. The option D, 4, is correct. Is the correct answer. Mangu Khan was the governor of China. Mongol court in China impressed Marco Polo. The leader of red turbans was Heng Chao. Mongols established the rule in China in the name of Yuan dynasty. The option C, 2 and 3 are correct. Is the correct. 2 and 4 are correct. Bayang and Changon were built during the Sung dynasty. Peasants' uprisings led to the collapse of Tang dynasty. Seljuk Turks were a tribe of Tatars. Mongols established the rule in China in the name of Yuan dynasty. ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் 2, 3 and 4 ஆர் கரெக்ட். ஆனால் இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஆப்ஷனில் இல்லை. இது உங்களுக்கு புக் இன்சைடில் வந்து நம்ம பார்க்கும் போது இந்த 3 ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்ஸ் தான் கரெக்ட்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Buddhism were sent to China from India. The earliest Indian inhabitants in China were the following followers of Buddhism. A is correct and R is wrong is the correct answer. Assassin, the fall of Jerusalem into the hands of Seljuk Turks lead to the Crusades. Reason, European Christian pilgrims were denied access to Jerusalem. The option D is the correct answer. A is correct. R is the correct explanation of A. Next one, answer all the question given under each caption. First heading, Sagunate in Japan. Name the 2 daimyo families that fought for the power in Japan. Tara family and Minamoto family. Who emerged successful in the fight? Yoritomo. What was the title given by the emperor to the victorious? Tai Sagun. Where was the capital of the first Sagunate established? Kamakura. Rule of Abbasidas. Who were Abbasidas? The follower of Abbas, uncle of Prophet Muhammad, were called as Abbasidas. What was the title assumed by Abbasid Caliph? The commander of the faithful. Where did they have their new capital? Baghdad in Iraq. In whose period was the Abbasid Empire at the height of its glory? Harun al-Rashid. Next one, answer the following 2 marks question. Totally we having 4 questions. Great Wall of China. The Chinese built the defensive wall to protect themselves from enemies from the north. During Qin dynasty, the separate walls were connected. The connected wall stretched from east to west for about 5,000 km. The wall was further extended and strengthened by succeeding dynasties. Now it is 6,700 km in length and considered as one of the wonders of the world. Next one, impact of Crusades. Crusades put to an end of the feudal system. Increasing demand for products of the East led to the expansion of trade. Important commercial centers in the Mediterranean region, success, Venice, Genoa, and Pisa emerged. The elimination of powerful nobles strengthened the monarchy in France and England. Pope and their papacy lost their powerful and prestige. How was feudalism organized in the Middle Age? It is the form of government involving lords and vassals. The king was at the head of the feudal regime. After to him there was the nobles. The nobles in turn had vassals known as the lesser nobles called the viscounts or barons. Last in their order were the king knights whose fiefs, the piece of land could not be divided. The villeins or serfs were at the bottom of the feudal system. Write about the 2 instruments used by the medieval pope to assert his authority. 2 communication பற்றி அதில் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Excommunication, interdict. Excommunication, the person of all the privileges of the Christian, denying the right to sacraments in church. His or her body could not be buried in the consecrated ground. Interdict அப்படின்னா உங்களுக்கு 2 பாயிண்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதுக்கான எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் நான் உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங் இன் டீட்டெயில். இதில் உங்களுக்கு டோட்டலாக 2 கொஷின்ஸ் இருக்குது. First question, write about crusades and its impact. அதாவது crusades-னா என்ன, அதுக்கான impact. The Seljuk Turks captured the holy city Jerusalem in the 11th century AD. Immediately the Pope and Church called upon the Christians of Europe to the risk of Jerusalem. The struggle between the Christians and Muslims began 1095, which continued for 200 years, is called crusades or holy wars. It put an end to the feudal system. The increasing demand for products of the East led to the expansion of trade. Venice, Genoa, and Pisa emerged as an important commercial centers in Mediterranean region. The elimination of powerful nobles strengthened the monarchy in France and England. Pope and papacy lost their power and prestige. Who were the Mongols? How did they rule China? Mongols were nomads. They came to Europe from the steppes of Asiatic Russia. There were herdsmen and also experts in warfare. They produced the remarkable chief Genghis Khan, the great military genius. The Mongols established the rule in the name of Yuan dynasty in China. They ruled China from 1279 to 1368 AD. The Mongol presence played major role in spreading Chinese technological advances to the less developed societies in the West. The Mongol court in Beijing impressed the number of foreigners, including Marco Polo. They were revolt or religious sects and secret societies. Finally, the leader of Red Turbans, Chu Yuanchan, took the Mongol capital Beijing and proclaimed himself emperor in 1369. இதோட உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ கம்ப்ளீட் ஆகுது. என்னோடய வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தது அப்படின்னா என்னோடய சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் மை சேனல்.